Hello everyone, welcome back to Dev Portal, where we simplify programming concepts for you. Today I am sharing some of the essential tips related to the variables in Java that every developer should keep in mind. Let's dive right now. First, we will see the naming convention. We should follow Camel Case convention for naming variables. In Camel Case, the first letter is lowercase and each subsequent word starts with the uppercase letter. Let's see the correct way of doing it. Int total marks, then string student name. What we can avoid is int total marks, then string student name. These we should avoid. Next one will be the always choose meaningful variable name. Your variable name should clearly indicate the purpose of the variable. This makes your code more readable and maintainable. So what we can avoid is int x is equal to 10. In place of that, what is prefer int number of students equal to 10. So instead of using variable name like x, use meaningful name like number of students. It helps other to understand your code at a glance. Next one will be the always initialize your variable. Uninitialized variables can lead to unpredictable behavior and runtime errors. So first see what we should avoid. Int a. And if I try to access this variable using system.out.println, it will give me the error. The local variable a may not have been initialized. In place of this, what will be prefer is that int count is equal to 0 sysout count. If I run this code, it is printing 0. So initializing variable with the default values helps prevent error and make your code more robust. Next one will be the minimize the scope of your variable. Declare variable in the smallest scope possible, usually within the block or method where they are used. Let me create one method. Public static print message, and inside this method I will create one variable of string type message equal to hello world, and I will print this message. I forgot to provide the return type. It will be void. So let me try to access this method. Print message. So you can see here it is printing hello world. This reduces the chances of error and make your code easier to understand and maintain. Next one will be the avoid using magic numbers in your code. Magic numbers are hard-coded values that appear without explanation. Instead, use constants to make your code more readable and maintainable. Let me show you how. First, we will see what we should avoid, like int days in week, 7 int hours in day equal to 24. These should be avoided. What will be prefer? Final int days in week equal to 7. Final int hours in day equal to 24. Using constants like days in week, hours in day makes your code self-explanatory and easier to update. Next one will be the use of proper data type in your variable. Choose data type that best match with the value they represent to ensure efficient memory usage and performance. Let me show you first what we should avoid. Long population equal to, suppose I am giving 1000. Instead of this, what I can use, this will be the preferred way. So selecting right data type improves both readability and efficiency in your code. By following these tips, we can write clear, more maintainable and efficient Java code. That's all for today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.